Hey dreamers! Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on content that fuels your growth. Today, we're diving into a book that might just change the way you see your future, Dream Big by Bob Goff. Ready to uncover how to chase your wildest dreams? Let's get into it. Have you ever felt like life just happened to you, instead of you taking the wheel? Like somewhere along the way, you tucked your dreams away because fear started calling the shots. Yeah, we've all been there. But Bob Goff is here to shake things up. In Dream Big, he doesn't just inspire you to dream. He gives you the roadmap to actually live it. 1. Define your dreams. Bob kicks things off with a simple but powerful question: what do you want? Sounds easy, right? But most of us don't take the time to answer it honestly. He challenges us to peel back the layers of what we think we should want, and instead, focus on what truly lights us up. Your dream isn't too big, maybe you've just been thinking too small. 2. Identify the obstacles. Next, Bob gets real about the roadblocks. Fear, doubt, and even our comfort zones can be sneaky dream killers. But here's the twist: obstacles aren't stop signs. They're just part of the process. Recognizing what's holding you back is the first step in moving forward. 3. Build a specific plan. Dreaming is great, but without a plan? It's just wishful thinking. Bob shows us how to create actionable steps, not just vague goals. He encourages writing things down, setting timelines, and being super specific. Want to write a book? Don't just say, "I want to be an author." Say, "I'll write 500 words every day starting tomorrow." See the difference? 4. Take action with the right tools. Lastly, Bob talks about the tools we need to keep the momentum going. This isn't just about productivity hacks. It's about mindset, community, and resilience. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Dream Big made me realize how often I let fear sneak into my decisions. But here's the thing: our dreams don't go away, they just get buried under what-ifs. Bob Goff reminds us that it's okay to dream crazy big and that the life we want is on the other side of taking that first bold step. So, what's your big dream? Let me know in the comments below. Rock it! If this video inspired you even a little, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow dreamers, and don't forget to subscribe for more motivational content. And hey, if you want to dive deeper, grab your copy of Dream Big by Bob Goff. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thanks for watching.